Please subscribe, like and share this content. It means a lot to us. Thank you in advance. Cornell Law School, U.C.C, Article 7, Documents of Title, Part 1, General, Paragraph 7-101. Short title. This article may be cited as Uniform Commercial Code Documents of Title. Paragraph 7-102. Definitions and Index of Definitions. A. In this article, unless the context otherwise requires, 1. Bailey means a person that by a warehouse receipt, bill of lading, or other document of title acknowledges possession of goods and contracts to deliver them. 2. Carrier means a person that issues a bill of lading. 3. Consignee means a person named in a bill of lading to which or to whose order the bill promises delivery. 4. Consignor means a person named in a bill of lading as the person from which the goods have been received for shipment. 5. Delivery order means a record that contains an order to deliver goods directed to a warehouse, carrier, or other person that in the ordinary course of business issues warehouse receipts or bills of lading. 6. Good faith means honesty in fact and the observance of reasonable commercial standards of fair dealing. 7. Goods means all things that are treated as movable for the purposes of a contract for storage or transportation. 8. Issuer means a bailey that issues a document of title or, in the case of an unaccepted delivery order, the person that orders the possessor of goods to deliver. The term includes a person for which an agent or employee purports to act in issuing a document if the agent or employee has real or apparent authority to issue documents, even if the issuer did not receive any goods, the goods were misdescribed, or in any other respect the agent or employee violated the issuer's instructions. 9. Person entitled under the document means the holder, in the case of a negotiable document of title, or the person to which delivery of the goods is to be made by the terms of, or pursuant to instructions in a record under, a non-negotiable document of title. 10. Record means information that is inscribed on a tangible medium or that is stored in an electronic or other medium that is retrievable in perceivable form. 11. Sign means, with present intent to authenticate or adopt a record, A. To execute or adopt a tangible symbol, or B. To attach to or logically associate with the record an electronic sound, symbol, or process. 12. Shipper means a person that enters into a contract of transportation with a carrier. 13. Warehouse means a person engaged in the business of storing goods for hire. B. Definitions and other articles applying to this article and the sections in which they appear are 1. Contract for sale, Section 2106. 2. Leasing in ordinary course of business, Section 2A-103. 3. Receipt of goods, Section 2103. C. In addition, Article 1 contains general definitions and principles of construction and interpretation applicable throughout this article. Paragraph 7-103. Relation of article to treaty or statute. A. This article is subject to any treaty or statute of the United States or regulatory statute of the state to the extent the treaty, statute, or regulatory statute is applicable. B. This article does not repeal or modify any law prescribing the form or contents of a document of title or the services or facilities to be afforded by a bailey, or otherwise regulating a bailey's businesses in respects not specifically treated in this article. However, violation of these laws does not affect the status of a document of title that otherwise complies with the definition of a document of title. C. This Act modifies, limits, and supersedes the Federal Electronic Signatures in Global and National Commerce Act, 15 U.S.C. Section 7001, et. Sec. But does not modify, limit, or supersede Section 101C of that Act, 15 U.S.C. Section 7001C, or authorize electronic delivery of any of the notices described in Section 103B of that Act, 15 U.S.C. Section 7003B. D. To the extent there is a conflict between the Uniform Electronic Transactions Act and this article governs. Paragraph 7-104. Negotiable and non-negotiable document of title. A document of title is negotiable if by its terms the goods are to be delivered to bearer or to the order of a named person. B. A document of title other than one described in subsection A is non-negotiable. A bill of lading that states that the goods are consigned to a named person is not made negotiable by a provision that the goods are to be delivered only against an order and a record signed by the same or another named person. C. A document of title is non-negotiable if, at the time it is issued, the document has a conspicuous legend, however expressed, that it is non-negotiable. Paragraph 7-105. Reissuance in alternative medium. A. Upon request of a person entitled under an electronic document of title, the issuer of the electronic document may issue a tangible document of title as a substitute for the electronic document if 1. The person entitled under the electronic document surrenders control of the document to the issuer, and 2. The tangible document when issued contains a statement that it is issued in substitution for the electronic document. B. Upon issuance of a tangible document of title in substitution for an electronic document of title in accordance with subsection A, 1. The electronic document ceases to have any effect or validity, and 2. The person that procured issuance of the tangible document warrants to all subsequent persons entitled under the tangible document that the warrantor was a person entitled under the electronic document when the warrantor surrendered control of the electronic document to the issuer. C. Upon request of a person entitled under a tangible document of title, the issuer of the tangible document may issue an electronic document of title as a substitute for the tangible document if 1. The person entitled under the tangible document surrenders possession of the document to the issuer, and 2. The electronic document when issued contains a statement that it is issued in substitution for the tangible document. D. Upon issuance of the electronic document of title in substitution for a tangible document of title in accordance with subsection C, 1. The tangible document ceases to have any effect or validity, and 2. The person that procured issuance of the electronic document warrants to all subsequent persons entitled under the electronic document that the warrantor was a person entitled under the tangible document when the warrantor surrendered possession of the tangible document to the issuer.